Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another try on haul. Okay, so I have a couple of like going out outfits that I got. I think it's probably like 4 pieces. It's not much at all. So let's get started. All right, so guys, the first outfit I want to start with is the one I'm actually wearing. So if I back up a little bit, this is a dress. It actually has that drawstring, but it comes across the middle all the way down like a diagonal. I thought it was super cute, super like, you know, out of the ordinary, because you usually see drawstrings dressed as like come down to the side on the sides of the dresses. This one actually came across the middle, so which I thought gave it that nice rouge look, but in a different way. So when I saw this, I absolutely loved it. So just to show you guys like the pattern of how it looks, like the fabric up close, right? And then, you know, back up, you see the little rouge coming down all the way down. So this is dress number 1. If I Okay, so now I'm gonna try on outfit number 2. I think it's gonna be like I have 2 that I have a white and I have a red one. It's like a little fuzzy pants with the top to go with it. So let's see. Okay guys, so this is outfit number 2. Outfit number 2. It is a bra with a pants. I thought it was a more of like a edgy but nice classy look, but that has a little, you know, sexiness to it at the same time. So it is kind of like a bra, but at the same time it comes with the nice little fuzzy pants as well. What I like about this is I actually bought this blazer separately, so you could throw on a blazer with it and still get that nice, look at the edge that I just put on this outfit by throwing on this blazer, right? So, and even the blazer even comes with a tie. So if I wanted to just really like switch it up a little bit and tie this blazer up to give it more of a unique look. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that really, really nice? So yeah, this is outfit number 2, like so you guys can see. Like I said, the pants is this nice fuzzy pants style. The bra is the same, and then you have this nice blazer that you could throw on it, or you could wear it just like that. So this is what it looks like. All right, so let me get on to outfit number 3. That is going to be a dress, and then the last one is going to be a pants just like this, but it's going to be like a long sleeve that's similar to the pants. Okay, so let's get to the next one. Okay guys, so this is the next one. So this is a silver dress. I love the material of this. It gives a nice classy look. It does have a slit in the back. I didn't zip it up all the way because it's just me trying to pull this thing on. So yeah, and as you guys see, it fits. It fits. It hugs, you know. So it's a nice dress. If push comes to shove, I clearly look like I may be putting on a few pounds, but this might be a little bit too tight. You know, may end up giving it away, but I love it so much. But you know, sometimes it be like that. I haven't gotten the chance to wear it yet, but yeah, I mean, it's a really, really pretty dress. It's for a nice, elegant outing that I would like to, you know, that you can go to and still have a nice silver, classy look. I don't even think they still have this dress in stock. I'm curious, right? So as you guys can see, this is outfit number 3. And then last but not least, I'll be trying on the next one. It's gonna be just like the last one, but it's gonna be a red fur pants with the top. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, this is the fourth and final outfit. It is like a little crop sweater with the pants to go with it. I think this is also super cute. I love the way that the pants fits. I'm a very big fan of the way that the pants fits. The top, like I said, is like a crop top, but how high the pants reaches, it covers all the necessary areas that you would like covered. You can accessorize this the way that you like. You can put on a statement piece, and this is just a close-up of how the fabric is for the actual outfit. I love it. I think this is super cute. I'm a big fan of it. It's definitely different, out of the ordinary. I love it. Yeah, and you guys saw the white one where I had the bra, and this is the red one where I actually just did the crop top. And I thought that would be something different. You know, find some way to wear it. So it's a nice outfit. It's different, it's out of the ordinary. I think I look like a Christmas tree. But yeah. All right, guys, so this is the fourth and final outfit. I hope you guys like this video. Of course, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you guys get notified anytime I post another video. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, please do not hesitate to comment which one was your favorite. Okay? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.